Today we're taking a look at the 2026 Ford Mustang GT in this stunning, rapid red color. And right off the bat, it's a head-turner. The aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted hood give it a bold, modern look, while still keeping that iconic Mustang vibe. The red paint pops beautifully under the light, especially against the blacked-out accents. And those 20-inch alloy wheels. Around back, the signature tri-bar LED taillights are still there, along with quad exhaust tips that sound absolutely incredible. Deep, loud, and unmistakably V8. The overall design feels more aerodynamic and refined than before, with small tweaks that really elevate its presence on the road. Step inside and it's surprisingly premium. You get leather-trimmed Recaro seats with red stitching, a sweet-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel, and a fully digital 12.4-inch gauge cluster. In the center, there's a large 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest sync system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates are all included. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.0L naturally aspirated V8, pushing out 500 horsepower and 418 lb-ft of torque. It's quick, hitting 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, depending on the transmission you choose. Whether you go for the 6-speed manual or 10-speed auto, the response is sharp and the engine sound is pure muscle. Handling is improved with the updated MagneRide suspension. It stays planted in corners but doesn't punish you on daily drives. Braking is handled by Brembo brakes, giving you strong and reliable stopping power. Pricing starts around $47,000, but with performance and tech packages, you're looking at the mid to high $50,000 range. Still, for what it offers, classic muscle, modern tech, and serious performance, it's hard to beat. If you're into powerful, stylish, and driver-focused cars, the 2026 Mustang GT absolutely delivers. Let me know in the comments. Would you take this over a Challenger or Camaro? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews coming soon.
Yeah.